welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. I am Kayla Aaliyah. Today we're gonna be doing a hair review. We're gonna see how I take care of this hair, even though I haven't really did nothing to it in 3 days, which is I think it's a good thing because y'all actually get to see the inside. See what's under the hood. But yeah, so welcome to my channel. I'm doing a hair review today. I'm going to show you how I take care of this hair. The hair company I got this hair from is Alipearl, and I'm going to leave that down below in the description box so you can click the link. This video is not sponsored, so nothing is fake. I mean, even if it was sponsored, it still wouldn't be fake. But a lot of people may be like, oh, it's sponsored, so it's fake. This video is not sponsored. So you're about to get the inside edition on this hair. So let's just get right into this video. And I'm going to tell you at the end of the video my pros, my cons, how this hair took, and all that good stuff. I'm going to tell you everything about that. But let's just go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to show you first my routine, and when I am in a rush, what I do, which is like literally put some water on it, rub it, and let go. So I'm gonna first show you how I do my rush routine with this hair, and I'm gonna secondly show you how I actually do when do what I'm supposed to do with this hair, how I take care of it, what I usually do. I mean, last few days I haven't. I just put a bun on, like I literally do like this and wrap it around and put a bun on, and that's it. But I'm gonna show you what I actually usually do, and I explain to you what I do at night as well. I'm not gonna really show you what I do at night. I'm just gonna tell you because it's gonna be the same thing except differently. I don't know what I did with my spray bottle, so we're gonna be like I don't know what I did with my spray bottle. So let's just get right into this video and let's jump right into it. I'm gonna be in 3 different settings, so like just bear with me.
For real, and I am hungry. I'm hungry now.
Alright, let's jump right into this video and okay, so before we get just like right into this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's basically like under here, because I just woke up and got out of the shower. So I'm gonna show you guys what it is like under here before we just start doing what we do. So this is before. What? Oh, you tried to pull it up, girl. You tried to pull it up. She tried to pull it up. Go with it. Okay, so I'm going to speed this video up just a little bit because I was talking entirely too much. Excuse me. But as you can see, the hair looks dry, it looks dull, and it's just a mess. I haven't done nothing to this hair in like 3 days. Usually I brush it, twist it, and wet it and put my conditioner on it. But it looks dry, it looks dull. The curls are not popping that much, but it still has the body to it or whatever like that. I literally just woke up, you guys. Like literally just woke up and got out of the shower and recorded this video so you can actually see what it looks like when I take my bonnet off and do nothing to it. So now get the foam wrap. You can find that at your local beauty supply store. I didn't have much left, but if you have some, take it and rub it through all over your hair. And now I'm just taking some water on my hands, stamping it, and I'm going to rub it through my hair. And I'm just going to repeat that and do the same thing. So just wet your hands, rub it on there. Just wet your hands, rub it on there. And then I'm just taking my brush to brush my closure down so it won't be sticking up or whatever. I have this hair in for about 2 weeks now, so don't judge that, you know, it's looking a little mess. You can tell it's not a fresh sew-in, but who cares? So I'm just still taking my water and wet my hands and rubbing it through my hair. As I'm rubbing it through it, I'm not so much detangling it, but yeah, it's basically, you can say the water be sitting on top of the hair. but not really, because all I'm doing is like rubbing it through. I'm not really working it in. I'm just rubbing it through. So I'm basically about done now. Just showing you. This is, yeah, this is like basically the final look for me. And this is how I go out. I don't do much to it when I'm in a rush. Like, it literally only takes me like 3 minutes to do this. Just wet your hands, rub it through and everything. So I'm done. The curls are popping just a little bit or whatever. And like I said, this is my rush routine, what I do when I'm in a rush. So don't judge me. Got the body to it still. It's not soaky. It's just damp. Curls are popping just a little bit. It's a little big. We can go out and do whatever. And now I'm about to get ready to show you my edge control. That's my favorite edge control, you guys. I'm not putting none on right now, but you can choose to put some on if you would like. Okay, and in the next clip, I'm going to show you my daily routine. Okay, obviously, you guys, you can see that I'm basically in a different setting. I am in the kitchen. Why am I in the kitchen? So right now, I'm about to wet my hair because I don't have my spray bottle. I'm just going to go ahead and dump my hair in the sink. Just going to rinse it and stuff. Okay, so I'm about to rinse my hair in the sink. I'm not going to really rinse it. I'm just going to basically try to damp it. But you'll see me in the next clip. Okay, so now I'm just wearing my hair in the sink and just getting all saturated with water. And just rubbing my hands through it as I'm putting the water on the hair. Okay, so now we're all done. This is the finished look after I damp my hair with the water. As you can see, it's not drippy wet, but it's wet enough to where I need it to be. Okay, so I'm back, and now all I'm about to do is use my Shea Moisture Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. It has shea butter, peppermint, apple cider vinegar inside of, and a whole lot of other chemicals. So I'm just going to take that and put on my hair. As you can see, it's not drippy wet. That's what we do not want. But now all I'm about to do is take some of my leave-in conditioner, Jamaican Castor by Shea Moisture, and rub it onto the hair in sections. I'm not really sectioning it, but I'm sectioning it. And just rub it through and take your brush and start from the ends. Very important, start from the ends and work your way up and brush it through. As you can see, it is detangling. Curls are popping already, and I love that this hair, it takes the water and product very well. It soaks it in versus sits on top of it, and it's good for drying as well. So we're just going to the next section, get some more of that good leave-in conditioner, rubbing it through, and we're gonna take our brush next and just apply it to the ends. Work your way up. You always want to brush from the ends on up, and it's very important as well to not only brush on top but to brush at the bottom. And I'm sorry, from the back. I said from the bottom, but you want to brush from the front and the back of your hair, and always start at the ends to the top. If you do not do that, then you have more shedding, more tangles, and harder to brush through. So that is that side and that side, if you can see the difference. Now I'm about to just go ahead and skip on through and not really take section by section. I'm about to do one big section in a minute. I got conditioner on me, but I'm just taking it and rubbing it all through. But you can do this, but to do it correctly, I recommend just taking it section by section. But because this is not a night routine, well, it is a night routine, but because I'm not doing this at night, like I normally do before I go to bed, and I'm about to go to work, I'm just gonna go ahead and just rub it in a big section. And I like to take my fingers and rub through the tangles first before I apply my brush. This helps get all of those good little naps out. And as you can see, I did show you it does have a little shedding when it's brushed out, which is not a problem. All hair, even natural hair that grows from your roots, shed when you brush it. So, I mean, a little hair strands here and there. It's not so bad, but remember to get the back of that hair, girl, underneath that hair. And I like to double check my hair itching. I like to double check sometimes to make sure that I got each knot. And remember, just because it's tracks enclosure and not your scalp doesn't mean you don't have to brush from the top. Always brush at the top. You're going to start from the ends and work your way up all the way to the top. And now I'm just making sure and showing you guys those curls and making sure that it's detangled and brushed all the way through. My head itching again. Oh my gosh. So now that's basically it. Showing you guys how the curls are popping now with that leave-in conditioner and that brushing through. It really works miracles. So yeah, that is basically it. Okay, you guys, so we're back, and basically this is like the final look, and this is how I go about my day. This is how I go out or whatever, and it doesn't take long. It's just when I'm in a rush, I don't feel like doing all this. I don't. It's not much. This is usually how it's gonna dry, and once it's dry, I'll probably insert a picture to show you. Okay, and you'll find that as you continue your journey and watching my videos, that everything I basically use on my weave, I use on my natural hair. The only thing I don't use on my natural hair is my reconstruction stuff on my weave. But since we're done, let me go ahead and tell you about this hair. So this hair, it came from Alipearl, or whatever like that. That sounds really weird. Alipearl.com. Their website is honestly the bomb. I ordered for them once and it was like, I'm just ordering from them again. So this is like my second product that I bought from them. And this is the, I want to say Brazilian Kinky Curly Deep Wave, I think it is. I'm not sure. All of these here is the same length, 16 inches. That's what this is 16 inches. My closure, my bundles, all 16 inches. I have pros and cons about this hair, but first I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna leave their link in the description box down below so you can click and get it if you want. Now this hair company, their hair is actually super cheap. For usually you would pay 3 bundles of closure for like $250, right? Us girls, we know that. But with this hair company, I paid 3 bundles of closure for like closure is a 3-part closure, a middle, a side, and a side, and it's pretty nice. The widths of this hair is very thick. I couldn't fit all 3 of my bundles in it. I had to cut like this much of my bundle because it wouldn't fit. The pros: it doesn't shed excessively. The closure, you do not have to pluck it when you get it unless you just choose to. The widths are thick, much body, great product and water absorbent. The shedding is not unbearable. And that's what's clean. Oh, and the price is very nice. Those are my pros. My cons: don't brush. If you brush it while it's dry, it gets very big and straight. But it's kind of like a good and bad thing. It depends how you want to take it. You ride down the street with your windows down, the hair is going to get very big. And if you don't do it to where it's going to stay this way, then it's not going to stay this way. Put it that way. If you don't do it where it's going to stay like this, then it's not going to stay this way. So, that's basically it. The Alipearl's hair is very nice. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. If I didn't mention it, it is not sponsored. by anything. This is just my honest opinion. I recommend you using and getting Alipearl hair. Again, this is Brazilian Kinky curly hair, I think it is, but I'll leave the link in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe button, and comment down below what you think. How can I improve myself? Or just your thoughts and opinions. Say what you want in the comment section. I will greatly appreciate an opinion of you guys. Thank you guys so much. I am Kayla Aaliyah. See you guys in the next video. Love you lots. Mwah. Peace.